Let's go into Warrior II pose. Find a nice tall stance. Go ahead and bend your knees, bottom back, weight into heels. Keep your right leg front and step your left foot back. While your left foot is back, notice how my foot is a little bit forward because your knee is a hinge joint. You want it to go a little bit more inward or what's most comfortable for you. Keep a slight bend in that back left knee, especially if you've had any knee surgeries or knee issues in general. Your right foot is in front, but you want to make sure that your knee is on top of your heel and you can see that big right toe. So while we're doing this right Warrior II, you're getting a good adductor stretch with these muscles and a hip stretch. But notice your hips are not slanted this way or this way. They're nice and aligned. You're squeezing your glute and you're pulling out that right knee, and your hips cannot tilt back and forth. It's nice and centered. Go ahead and place your right arm in front, relax the shoulder, and left arm in back. Your arms are parallel with the ground, and you're really focusing on pulling out that right knee so that you get a really good stretch right through here. Go ahead and look forward and relax the shoulders. And just hold it a few moments right here. Navel in and up. Then to come out of this, you can bring your hands together, square your shoulders to the front, lean forward, pivot the back foot so you're not twisting that knee, and step forward right to where you were. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and do the other side.